May I invite on stage someone who's given us some of the bestest movies of the industry, ladies and gentlemen, जो कि सच में history में जाएंगी cinema के. He is filmmaker extraordinaire. Give it up for Shoojit Sircar, ladies and gentlemen. Shoojit, congratulations. पहले से ही इतनी सारी उम्मीदें थी, and now we've seen this. The response यहीं आपके सामने है. क्या बोलेंगे?
No, thank you so much. Good afternoon, everybody, and आप सब लोग अपना इतना कीमती वक्त निकाल के इधर पे आए, उसके लिए मैं सबको धन्यवाद देता हूँ. और आपने मेरा ट्रेलर देखा फिल्म का, थैंक यू सो मच, यही बोलूँगा. और कुछ और I hope you watch the film, and I hope you watch this, spread this trailer, and experience October. यही बोलूँगा.
Superb, sir. Come on, give it up for Shoojit Dada. And sir, मैं चाहूँगा आप ही, to do the honors to invite the amazing cast.
दोबारा सबको thank you so much for coming. सबसे पहले मैं बता दूँ कि 4 दिन पहले से Varun was shooting in Chanderi for his next film, and he's been calling my marketing team. His name is also Varun. कि is Shoojit going to dress up properly or not? And I think I am dressed up properly, right?
Perfect.
Varun. All right, so thank you so much. Everybody always, सब लोग कहते हैं मतलब इंडस्ट्री में और मेरे साथ कि आप लोग बहुत मेहनत करते हो. A lot of hard work goes into a film. मैं आप सब लोगों को, मैंने पीकू के टाइम भी ये बात बोला था और मैं सबको एक बात बता देता हूँ. कोई हार्ड वर्क नहीं होता इस हमारे लिए. हम एक्चुअली मज़े लेते हैं शूटिंग के टाइम. इतने मज़े लेते हैं आप सोच भी नहीं सकते हैं. और हार्ड वर्क कुछ होता ही नहीं है, क्योंकि ये जो फिल्म होती है हमारे दिल से निकली हुई एक आवाज़ होती है, और जो दिल से निकली हुई आवाज़ होती है उसमें मज़ा आता है, उसमें हार्ड वर्क कुछ नहीं होता.
Superb, sir. Superb. First person to say that, yeah.
सबसे पहले मैं मेरे बहुत पुराने दोस्त जो मेरे को लास्ट 8-10 साल से झेल रहे हैं, मेरे फिल्मों को भी झेलते हैं. मैं कोई भी आइडिया लेके जाता हूँ पहले तो वो चुप हो जाते हैं कि अच्छा ये करूँ कि नहीं करूँ. लेकिन लेट मी टेल यू, ही इज़ बीन, वो कभी सामने नहीं आते हैं मीडिया के, बट आई थिंक ही इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट सक्सेसफुल प्रोड्यूसर्स ऑफ आवर इंडस्ट्री. His name is Ronnie Lahiri, my dear friend. मेरे सारे आइडिया को एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हैं और बना देते हैं फिल्म. थैंक यू रॉनी, थैंक यू सो मच. इनके साथ एक और भी प्रोड्यूसर हैं, मैं वो स्टेज में आना नहीं चाहते, मैं उनका नाम बता दूं. उनका नाम है शील कुमार, वो भी इधर ही हैं, और ही इज़ ऑल्सो द प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ द फिल्म. मेरा सबसे जो इम्पॉर्टेंट डिपार्टमेंट होता है एक फिल्म का जो होता है, और सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट प्रोसेस और मेथड जो होता है, और जो मैं कहता हूँ कि एक फिल्म की बैकबोन और एक फिल्म की जो स्पाइन होती है, वो होती है राइटिंग, स्क्रीन प्ले, स्टोरी एंड डायलॉग. एंड वी हैव वन ऑफ द मोस्ट टैलेंटेड इन आवर इंडस्ट्री, वेरी रेयर, जूही चतुर्वेदी. एंड next, obviously, I'm going to call आप लोगों के. अगर या ओके, इसके अंदर एक मशीन लगा हुआ है मुझे लगता है. ऑलराइट, या नेक्स्ट इज योर, नेक्स्ट इज आप लोगों के हार्ट थ्रॉब. मैं आपको बता दूं कि मैंने वरुण ने मुझे एक दिन ऐसे ही फ़ोन किया आफ्टर अराउंड पिंक. मैं शूट कर रहा था, शूट के बाद काफ़ी दिन से बातचीत चल रही थी कि मुझे वरुण से मिलना है. वरुण कॉल्ड मी, जस्ट वी वांट टू मीट, जस्ट हैव अ चाय एंड ऑल. सो पोस्टपोन होता रहा, पोस्टपोन होता रहा, पोस्टपोन होता रहा. बट एक दिन आई थिंक इन द मंथ ऑफ दिसंबर और जैन ऑफ 2016 ही कॉल्ड मी एंड मैं नॉर्मली कोलकाता भाग जाता हूँ या फुटबॉल खेलने चले जाता हूँ. सो मैंने एक दिन ऑफिस से जस्ट निकलने वाला था, तो मैंने बोला कि वरुण कॉल्ड. मैंने कहा ठीक अभी आ जा. बोलते सो आई एम नॉट ड्रेस्ड अप प्रॉपर्ली, ऐसे ही आ जा तू. एंड ही जस्ट केम इन एंड ही सैट इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी ऑन द चेयर. And believe me, he was talking to me. He told me that if there is anything that I can work, we can work together. और मैं उसको नहीं देख रहा था, मैं actually Dan को देख रहा था उस वक्त. मैं only उसके आँखों में देख रहा था. And I immediately, as he left the office, I called Juhi and Ronnie. कि I told them, I think we have Dan. So that's Dan. That's Varun for you. वरुण की मैं आपसे ऑनेस्टली बताऊंगा, सारी फिल्में मैंने देखी नहीं है. वेरी फ्यू आई हैव सीन बिट्स एंड पार्ट्स. एंड मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं था जब तक मैं उसको सामने नहीं मिला हूँ. लेकिन वरुण अब मेरा दिल का टुकड़ा बन चुका है. वरुण धवन.
Ladies and gentlemen.
पिंक के रिलीज के टाइम आई वॉज लुकिंग फॉर अ गर्ल टू शूट फॉर अ कमर्शियल फॉर डबल मिंट, एंड दैट वॉज ऑल्सो अ लव स्टोरी. एंड after a lot of search, I met this girl. She is from Wales, and I know her name is Banita Sandhu, and she came on the first day on the set for the first shot, and exactly it happened like that. And me and Juhi been working on this script for at least since Piku, since 2015. We're working on this idea of October. And again, as soon as I saw her, I said, just stand here. I clicked a picture. And I again sent it to Ronnie and Juhi. I think I again called them, and I think we have Shivli. She's one of the most wonderful girls I have met from Wales. Yeah, she said only one. Yeah, and only one. She was not interested in Bollywood as such to work here, but I told her that I would not disappoint you in this film, and she said okay, and she blindly agreed to work on this film. Please welcome debutant Banita Sandhu. And this is there's a lot of unit from crew, from my team, my EP Kumar Thakur, my casting director Jogi, my assistant Shweta, NH Studios who's distributing. A lot of people are there. My Bhanu, my assistant, and many other are there. All are watching here. I'm just thankful to them that they've been jheloing me for last 1 or 2 years, and thanks to them. And I leave it to you. I hope you have liked the trailer. It's a very different trailer. And I hope this film gives you, as you saw on the trailer, feel October. Don't ask me for the story of October. There's no story in this film. In my film, there's no story. In my films, it's on one single feeling. So you have to sit through and experience a 2 hour of October. उसके बाद आप मुझे अच्छा बोलना, गाली देना आपके ऊपर है.
उधर बटन लगा हुआ है वरुण, है ना? Some amazing fans over here.
I'll ask Varun to speak.
Okay, you know, since so many of the fans are over here, I just want to say something that I love you guys as well, but I want to tell you that today, if I'm in this movie, it is because of you people. And true story, sir, because I've always been a fan of Sujita, of Juhi, of Ronnie, the type of films they've made. And I would always be like, यार काश मैं ये करता और काश मुझे एक opportunity मिलती ये film करने की. I remember being very jealous of Ayushmann when he did Vicky Donor. And I would get this, you know, in letters, on Twitter, lot of people telling me, यार सुजीत सरकार के साथ film करना चाहिए. I wish you get to work in a film that Juhi is written. I wish you can work with Sujit Sarkar. Varun, one day you should do that. I would say, यार मेरे हाथ में है नहीं, वो मुझे ले रहे नहीं है. So because of this, also my mother's here today because he's one of her favorite directors.
Oh, namaskar, man. Thank you, man.
It was her. It was a wish that I would one day be able to work in a film with him. So I think once few films of mine did well, I got little courage and I was like, okay, I'm going to approach sir and somehow convince him that please take me in a film. And I'm glad that I was dressed badly that day. I'm glad that I was very clumsy when I met you. I spilled that tea because you saw Dan in me. I didn't know why, and I'm just glad that I got to work with y'all. Because let me just tell you one thing about actors which people don't know that. I mean, I guess you know it that the world sometimes starts feeling very fake because कपड़े कोई और लेके आता है, बाल कोई और बनाता है, मेकअप कोई और बनाता है, आपको चमका वमका के मतलब एक पूरा प्रोडक्ट की तरह आपको आगे कर देते हो. So that is not Varun. Obviously not. Varun is beneath all this.
Varun, you'll find in October. For
yeah,
sure.
Because there's.
I also just want to tell that this poster was designed by all the creatives by Juhi and Priyank. There's a guy here. So they have designed this poster look of this film also. And my humble request to all the fans, there's a lot of press here. And अब बहुत ज़्यादा करेंगे तो press नाराज़ हो जाएगा. ठीक है ना? Now थोड़ा शांत होके बैठेंगे. Let's give it to the press. Yes. Let them let it.
Let them finish asking the questions after the event is done. I'll come and
आपको बोलूँगा आप जितना चिल्लाना आप चिल्ला
all of you all and try and click pictures with all of you. Promise. Thank you.
So while we set up these bar stools, the chairs, एक चीज वरुण और सुजीत दा आपसे जानना चाहूँगा. What the highlight has been कि आपकी और आपकी वरुण जो expertise है वो बड़ी अलग-अलग है. It's like दो power houses हैं और दोनों को एक साथ लाना, as you said, it just happened, right? So what do you have to say on this chemistry, the director-actor chemistry?
See, yeah, hi, yeah. Thank you so much. हमें बैठने के लिए देने के लिए.
बिल्कुल.
देखिए, मेरे फिल्म में, as I said, the spine of the film is script. I go through the entire process of emotions when we are writing the script. Then we cast the film, absolutely. In my film, everybody is a character. So there is nobody that, okay, no, I will say, okay, this is the protagonist hero of the film or something, or this is the heroine of the film. No. Everybody is playing their part in the film. In my film, even my technicians, my cinematographer and an editor and the musicians, they are also as star and as hero in my films. So Varun fit the bill, absolutely. I look into the eyes. I don't cast people at all. When I cast Deepika, for example, in Piku, everybody thought, as Deepika said on a public platform, what are you doing with Sujit Sarkar? Your kind of films you do and what the kind of he films. So there is no match. And let me tell you, I've been quite lucky in all my films that they have worked. I thought they'll never work. A sperm donor story cannot work. A constipation story cannot work. So I don't know how people liked it. Thank you so much, people. You have liked it. So this film has also given me a lot of experience. It has changed me as a human being. And I think it's changed all of us as human beings, our relationship. As I said, we are in the family, we work like a family in the film. And they are all my kids.
Wow. Superb. Ladies and gentlemen, the entire cast and crew of this wonderful movie, October. And yeah, it's over to the media. आप लोग अपने सवाल जवाब कर सकते हैं.
Hi, सुजीत दा, मेरा सवाल आपसे है, आपके लेफ्ट में, आलोक है.
आप तो पहले ही करते हैं, कहाँ आपको माइक कहाँ से मिल गया पहले?
सर इसका लुक लाइक था ना हमारे कुमार जी, वो कौन है जो प्रोडक्शन, मनीष इधर है. मनीष आया आज? सर आपका बिल्कुल डॉपलगैंगर.
या आप पूछ सकते हैं.
जुड़वा टाइप का मामला है.
या
सुजीत, सवाल ये है कि विकी डोनर में स्पर्म डोनर आपने देखा, कॉन्स्टिपेशन देखा पीकू में, अक्टूबर में किस तरह का
क्या डिजीज देखेंगे आप?
हाँ,
इसमें बॉडी फ्लूइड्स देखेंगे कि इसमें एक जैसे जूही ने कहा था एक बार, इसमें आप बीमारी जो देखेंगे वो प्यार वाली देखेंगे. सो प्यार की बीमारी देखेंगे आप इसमें.
अगला सवाल जूही से ही था. जूही, बड़ी अलग कहानी लगती है ट्रेलर के हिसाब से. कहानी तो मत बताइए, लेकिन किस तरीके से आगाज हुआ जरा ये बता दें आप.
बस सोचने ये बैठे कि कुछ ऐसी कहानी हो जो दिल से निकले, जैसे श्रीदा ने बोला, वॉइस ऑफ आ हार्ट, एंड आपके दिल तक पहुँचे। उसमें जितनी सच्चाई हो सकती है, जितनी व्हाट ऐसे गिमिक के बिना हम लिख सकते हैं, पूरी वही कोशिश थी। एंड अल्टीमेटली यू फील दैट एवरीबडी इज़ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग इनसाइड। एक स्ट्रेंथ होती है हर जने के अंदर, बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार होता है हर जने के अंदर, और जब सर्कमस्टांसेस आती हैं लाइफ में तो वही प्योरिटी, वही प्यार, वही स्ट्रेंथ टेक्स यू आगे। तो हर जने के अंदर का जो एक खूबसूरत इंसान है वो ढूंढा था हम लोग ने डैन को लिखते समय और शिवली को लिखते समय।
वरुण, हमने कई फिल्में देखी हैं आपकी, कई करोड़ भी कमाती हैं। बदलापुर के टाइम में लोगों ने बोला आपने रिस्क लिया है। अक्टूबर का की जब कहानी आप तक पहुंची, कुछ जहन में चल रहा था कि रिस्क है या?
सो आई थिंक मैंने हमेशा फिल्में ऐसे देखी कि ये एक अच्छी फिल्म है, ये एक बुरी फिल्म है। आई डोंट बिलीव कि यार ये बड़ी फिल्म है, इतने पैसे लगेंगे तो ये अच्छी करेगी। इट्स ऑलवेज अ स्टोरी, एंड मैं हमेशा ये देखता हूँ कि जिसके साथ मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, हाउ मच ऑफ देमसेल्व्स दे आर पुटिंग इनटू द फिल्म। और इस फिल्म में मैं दावे के साथ कह सकता हूँ कि सुजीत दा ने, जूही ने, दे पुट एवरीथिंग, उन देयर पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंसेस, their love, their passion for cinema, each and everything into this film. और जैसे कि सुजीदा ने कहा कि कास्टिंग की, I was cast last in this film. पहले बनीता की कास्टिंग हुई थी, then I was cast in this film, and that's the way फिल्म ऐसे कास्ट होनी चाहिए। Not that कोई इंसान अच्छा कर रहा है तो चलो ले लो, not because of that. And he cast me actually in this film before Badrinath and Judwa released also. तब से बात चालू थी इसकी। I literally chased him, जैसे कि मैंने कहा। बट मैं पूरी कहानी तो नहीं बताऊंगा कि शायद रिलीज़ के बाद सुजीता बोलेंगे, बट जिस तरीके से जब उन्होंने फिल्म के बारे में नरेट किया मुझे, और ये फिल्म क्यों बनाना चाहते हैं, दैट्स द बिगेस्ट थिंग, दैट व्हाई डज अ फिल्म मेकर वांट टू मेक अ फिल्म, व्हाई जूही रोट दिस फिल्म, ये आइडिया कहाँ से आए। व्हेन आई हर्ड दैट, आई वाज सो मूव्ड दैट आई फेल्ट दैट forget everything, I need this film more, and I'm saying this today, no matter what people might think, no matter आप लोग क्या सोच रहे हो, but on this stage I need this film the most today in my career, more than any of them. I need this film.
आपने लाइव चैट में बोला कि बनीता गुनगुनाती भी हैं, और उन्होंने कहा कि आपके साथ गुनगुनाएंगी। सो या तो अभी या तो आखिर में आप दोनों मिलकर गुनगुना देंगे कुछ। हाँ,
पहले तो हेलो बोल दो बनीता सबको।
Hello. Hello. There we go.
Yeah. अब ज़्यादा हेलो करेंगे तो इसका tears will start rolling down.
I need to say something very interesting about Banita and the paparazzi. आज तो सब कुछ ठीक है, but the first time when she came here and people started clicking her, Banita, मतलब like suppose the cameras are coming here, Banita would just, like, I'm standing with her, she would just leave me and she'll go and should stand like a bystander and then stare. I said, they know you, we've just come out of the same restaurant together, they know who you are now. So you can't stand in the corner. But I think आप पहले तो आप लोग सब मिलो, आप लोग सब हाय बोल दो इनको, और बोल दो कि कोई टेंशन नहीं लेने के लिए।
Hi, Shujit and.
Yeah. Take a mic.
I have to hold the mic for you. Okay, fine.
How was I offered the film? So as Shujit sir said, we worked on the ad together, and he mentioned it in conversation that there was this film coming up. He was writing with Dewey, and he showed me the first page. I read it, and I said I liked it, and that was it. I went back to London. I didn't hear from him for about 6 months. In the back of my head, I was just like, is this film gonna happen? I don't know. And then finally, one of the producers called me and said, okay, listen, we want you for the lead role for this film. I said yes without even having heard the storyline, because for me, I was just so desperate to work with Shujit sir again. I didn't care whether it was a role for 10 minutes. I didn't even care what the role was. I didn't even know Varun was going to be in it when I said yes. It was literally, I did this film because I just wanted to work with Shujit sir again.
Thank you.
He is just a luxury to have as director. And once you work with him once, even if it's on something like an ad, you realize how great it is to work with him, and you just crave to work with him again. So I keep telling him to write me another script so we can do something again.
Sujita,
There were a few offers before, but there was nothing really that I took seriously because when I came to India for the first time, it was actually just to shoot ads. I'm still a student at university in London, and living in London's very expensive. So I realized that ads are a good way to make money. So I came to India, and I got double mint. I was so happy, and the last thing I expected was a film role, let alone from a director like this. So it's just beyond my belief. I'm very, very, very blessed.
Shujita?
जी जब हम लोग लिख रहे थे फिल्म, क्योंकि इस फिल्म में मेरे फिल्म में हर समय एक ऑनेस्टी चाहिए होती है, कैरेक्टर की ऑनेस्टी चाहिए होती है. सो हम लोगों ने, मैंने और रॉनी ने और जूही ने ये डिसाइड किया था, वी विल कास्ट फ्रेश एब्सोल्युटली. इवन हम लोग जब पूरे हिंदुस्तान में हम ऑडिशंस किया था फॉर वरुण्स कैरेक्टर ऑल्सो, सो वी वांटेड अ फ्रेश फेसेस ऑल्सो ढूंढ रहे थे हम लोग, बिकॉज हम लोग प्रोसेस पे थे. सो मैंने बोला ना, इट वाज अ बाई चांस अ मीटिंग विद वरुण, एंड दैट्स हाउ इट हैपेंड कि आई सॉ एग्जैक्टली इन हिज आइज. और जब आप फिल्म देखेंगे, और शायद ट्रेलर में आपको थोड़ा सा झलक दिखा होगा कि डैन कैसा है, इंट्रीगिंग है इस वक्त तो ट्रेलर, बट आई थिंक जब फिल्म देखेंगे तब आप शायद मेरे से सहमत हो जाएंगे पूरी तरह से.
Shujita?
I asked him one thing. First, I liked the way he came and introduced himself, because I had a different perception altogether of people who work and who's a overnight star who's become and crazy and fan following, and also I am not used to that. I'm used to very my kind of cinema, which if people like it, very good. If they don't like it, I'm still happy, because I could tell my stories my way. So when he came, first thing, and I said, will you surrender yourself first? And I asked him, are you honest? So he told me, sir, actually I'm generally an honest person. This, what you see outside is I'm not me. जो उन्होंने अभी बोला. So मैंने बोला, can you be yourself in this film? And I just want to be yourself. So I just narrated 2 lines, and he was going out to shoot something, I think some film, Judwa, I think he was going to shoot, to London and everything. I said, so he said, what is my process going to be? I mean, what should I do? Should I read the script? I said, no, you're not going to read the script. So what should I do? I said, in the morning when you get up, what do you do? Well, the first thing in the morning I get up and I take my phone and I just Twitter and do and think. I said, from today onwards, till the film starts, in the morning you get up, first thing, as soon as you get up, you go, do you have a plant in your house? Well, say, yes. I said, go and sit in front of a plant and keep watching that plant for 10 minutes. That's your job. And he did that. He called me and he said, I'm feeling very good. I'm out of my phone. And as soon as I get up, when I used to earlier get my phone, it used to give me anxiety. So for almost 1 year, I think my only instruction was get up and just watch a plant and breathe. That was my instructions.
Varun?
Hi,
Varun, आपके
Varun.
left में. Varun. Hi.
Paji, आप last then you ask. Okay. हाँ. Sleepless मतलब I think part of being prepared for this film was to not be prepared, and दादा बहुत calmly बोलते थे. He was never hyper. The scenes never, there was no कि आज बड़ा scene करेंगे वरुण, आज ये scene difficult है, ऐसा कभी build up नहीं होता था. He had given me music to hear. There was Janvi Harrison's Hare Rama Hare Krishna. Then he asked me music that I started hearing Tom Petty's Free Falling. I went back to my college days where I would hear Lil Nirvana and stuff. And मैं वो music सुनता था, and always Janvi Harrison का जो गाना था, he would tell me तू गाना सुन के आ जा वापस. तो almost, you know, every scene was approached with कि यार ये line जूही ने डैन के लिए नहीं लिखी है, ये line तेरे सोच से निकल रही है. That these are not lines that are written to be said. Every line was my line. These are my words. Like I'm saying right now, how I'm processing it in my brain and how it's coming out. तो हर शब्द जो बोला है, तो ऐसा कोई पैटर्न नहीं था बात करने में. So जैसे कि अभी भी फिल्म में जब मैं भी देखता हूँ, मैंने ये कोई डायलॉग नहीं है कि आप उसे पहचानते हो तो ना पहचाने, पर वो तो आपको पहचानती है. So it's just that he wanted that real moment of what I felt at that time, and very honest, no matter how many takes it took, but very, very honestly saying each and every word, because this film is based on honesty. I couldn't do anything else like I do in other films. I couldn't, शर्ट नहीं निकाल सकता हूँ, मैं नाच नहीं सकता हूँ, मैं बाल चमका के आ नहीं सकता हूँ, मैं स्माइल, I can't behave cute, I can't do any of that. I can't.
मेकअप भी नहीं.
मेकअप तो मतलब रोज आके मुझे बोलते थे कि मेकअप नहीं लगाओ, एंड देयर वाज सो मेनी. मैंने मेकअप लगाना बंद कर दिया था, स्टिल ही वुड कम एंड से मेकअप थोड़ा कम कर दो. ऐसे दादा मैंने मेकअप डाला ही नहीं है अभी, एंड ही वुड स्टिल कम, नहीं वो थोड़ा सा ऐसा ऐसा, रणवीर सिंह बाल तेरे थोड़ा ऐसा ऐसा. ही एवरी मॉर्निंग हिज फर्स्ट जॉब वाज टू कम एंड स्पॉइल माय हेयर. नहीं तेरा बाल थोड़ा ऐसा, हाँ ये थोड़ा और ऐसा कपड़ा ऐसा कर ले. And then he would shout at Veera, who's our designer, she's the cutest person on set, कि तू कपड़े इस्त्री मत कर, इस्त्री करके क्यों देती है कपड़े, रोज इस्त्री करते हैं लोग, थोड़ा ऐसा ऐसा, ये. And then he'll go away. One other great thing that happened on set was that जब मैं बोलता था, obviously I'm used to a tone and I'd just done जुड़वा and come, तो मेरा जो pitch था वो loud था हमेशा dialogue बोलने में, so I would talk very loudly, all can hear me already. So I was used to talking like that. तो बोलते असल जिंदगी में वरुण, मैं इधर बैठा हूँ, तू इधर बैठा है, तो क्यों चिल्ला रहा है, तेरे को प्रॉब्लम है किसी से? सो ऐसे नहीं दादा, मैं तो ऐसे, हाँ तो ऐसे बात कर, नॉर्मल बात कर, सॉफ्ट. मैं बीच में इट स्टार्टेड एक ऐसा, ही पुट अ मार्क, मतलब एक ऐसे किसी ने मार्कर, मैं चिल्लाना चाहता भी था तो मेरी आवाज ही नहीं जा रही थी ऊपर. I actually feel from the day I started shooting this film to the end of that 37 day, I don't know, what did you do? You did something for sure, because I was not acting the way I feel I am acting, because it was just such a different experience, and all thanks to him and Juhi and Ronnie and I think Banita especially, because her eyes, yeah, look at her eyes. Her eyes are amazing, because I had to just look into her eyes and it would just, because honestly for me Banita can be anyone. She's the girl, she can be the girl, the neighbor who I stay with. She can be some girl I see in a college I've seen at some time, some untold story. We always see people, you know, while passing. हम लोग गाड़ी में जा रहे हैं, बस में किसी को देख दिया, कभी ऑटो में देख लिया, कभी चलते हुए देख लिया. You see a person and you feel that अच्छा इनकी भी खुद की story होगी. And you don't imagine what that story will be. And that, I think she represents that. She has such a big connect. It's unbelievable.
Varun, hi. Varun, here.
Hi, sorry ma'am, sorry.
No, it's okay. अच्छा, जैसे अभी हम लोगों ने एक दो चीज़ें आपने बताई कि कैसे आप मतलब जो चीज़ें चेंज की सुजीत दा ने, कि आप मोबाइल शुरू से अपना दिन शुरू करते थे, फिर आप पौधों से शुरू करने, और क्या क्या बदलाव वरुण धवन किस तरह से बदले हैं डैन बनने के बाद. एंड दूसरी चीज़ कि आपको लगता है, जैसे परसेप्शन की भी बात हो रही है, जैसे सुजीत दा ने भी कहा या आपने भी निकलते हुए कहा कि लोग सोचते हैं आपके बारे में एक तरह से कि आप ऐसे होंगे. आपको लगता है इस किरदार के बाद आपको लेकर के सोच बदलेगी लोगों की?
You know, honestly, I don't know. Eventually, I feel actor की तरह people take home the character. You're not taking home Varun. I want people to take home Dan and what Dan actually stands for. And Dan stands for a lot more than what I can ever stand for as a human being. Because he's just something.
No, you will. You are like that. Don't worry.
Varun.
Hi, how are you?
Very well, thanks. Is it a conscious decision for you, like your next film is Sui Dhaga, so you want to balance it out with huge commercial blockbusters kind and
okay, so honestly, you know, scripts like October, they don't come always. These things don't happen. And I had said this when I did Badlapur also, that, you know, a lot of people were like, you know, do something else. And now I know how it is. It's fickle-minded. Now when I'll do this, people will say, oh, but you're not doing that. Why aren't you doing that? Is he going wrong? Or what is this? What is that? Honestly, it's a script. As an actor, you react purely to a script, and you're supposed to react to that. The minute financials come into play, into making a decision, it all goes wrong over there, because we are not, eventually we are making films, you know. As an actor, I'm making films. If I wanted to make that money, then I would start producing those films. And believe me, now I can start saying that, yaar, no, mere ko bhi ye de do, mere ko bhi wo de do. But never in my life I would have ever asked for a percentage or something in these type of films, because I am so lucky to just experience this. It's almost like therapy, you know, to go there, do this film, shoot, where we shot in Manali. There was one dog who I fell in love with in Manali over there, literally. Hippo.
I was telling.
That's Ronnie's dog, family dog.
I was asking Shujit in the morning that did you have to calm you down, you know? So he said, yeah, he followed me.
Yeah, I had to be
Yeah,
calm
I've
down.
heard.
I had
Yeah,
to be
I've
calm
heard that
down.
he's really hyper and in a lot of things. So I am generally quite calm in terms of on the set. So I think he too was. So he followed me possibly.
Hi. Sujit, humor plays a very important role in many of your films. In this film,
What?
humor.
Humor. Okay. Yeah.
So in this film, will we see that, or this seems like a relatively serious topic? And
No, I
subject?
think you saw there's a bit of a humor there. I mean, he says, "मैं कल भी गया हूँ, आज भी गया हूँ." So दो बार गया हूँ. There is a humor. You can, if you underline the trailer, you will find.
There is what
Jui's writing.
life throws you.
Yeah, there is. I mean, life is anyway a lot of humor. You know. Yeah. So कल और आज क्या हो जाएगा? You have no idea. So we have no. So humor is our part of life. Sarcasm is part of life, and I love sarcasm and humor from all my films. At least, especially what me and Juhi has always written. So there is a lot of humor and fun that you'll find. For that, you have to watch the film.
And Varun, you have worked with many people, many directors. So how easy or difficult is it for an actor to adopt to different styles of different director? And is there anything particular about Sujit that you really liked, or is there any particular quality of Sujit that you can say?
I think the best thing is that he's a great human being. Forget everything that he does in films, but he's such a good human being that you want to do well for this man. You want to, not only me, but the entire team that's over here. You want to make it happen. You know, you want his vision to come out, and I think, and the best thing is working with him and Juhi is their relationship. You know, because the way they argue sometimes on sets and the way their discussions happen is just amazing to see, because at one time you're seeing this man who you're looking up to like a father and you're like this, and then the second minute Juhi and he are fighting like children, and then you're looking at them and it's just so, and there's a lot of humor. Trust me, there is a lot of humor. I think one of the most humorous things would happen is that he's a fantastic actor. I have to tell all of y'all, he's a brilliant actor. He acts out every scene in the best possible way. Only thing, जब ये act करते हैं तो कभी वो flow में आ जाता है actor, तो वो थोड़ा हिंदी ऊपर नीचे हो जाता है. And then Juhi would, and then I would say, so दादा मैं ऐसे बोलूँ? हाँ बिल्कुल ऐसे बोल दे. ऐसे ही यार, हाँ बोल दे, feel आ रहा है तो बोल दे तू सीधा. अच्छा ठीक है दादा. Then I would go, Juhi से क्या बोल रहे हैं ये क्या dialogue है, ये तो लिखा ही नहीं है. So Juhi would always come and tell me, you catch the feel, the dialogue you come and take from me, but. So, and then he came and told me, तू समझ ले मैं जो कह रहा हूँ, but dialogue Juhi का बोल.
Banita, as a debut film, from the trailer that we assimilate, it seems to be an intense role. How challenging was it? And is it a memory loss kind of a role?
You'll have to experience the film to find that out. But it was a very intense and challenging role. And it was a lot for Juhi and Shujitsa to go through as well, having written the film. So my motivation was I wanted to do well for them. So I put in a lot of work to do the script and to do their creativity justice, because they poured their hearts and souls into this. So in terms of preparation, I was in London actually, and so we were, Skyping back and forth pretty much every day. I was sending videos. My poor little sister, I was like, forget your homework, film me do this, film me do that. And I think she was just glad when I finally went off to Delhi. And yeah, it was a lot of preparation, but I'm sworn to secrecy. I can't reveal too much.
Actually, sworn to. I think they're so happy that I'm not in Bombay. First time the producers are happy कि तू जा, तू मत कर promotions, तू जा, दूर रह. Because they feel I'm going to give out the story. मैं सबको सब कुछ बोल दूँगा. हाँ, आओ देख लो ये देख लेना फिर. So they're so happy. I think, Ronnie, you're happy. I think Ronnie is little bit on my side. Chanderi is the best place.
Vanita, you also said that you wanted to make some fast buck. What did you earn? And I don't want to know what did you earn, but what did you do some shopping from?
No, trust me, when you live in London, everything goes towards rent. So no shopping, unfortunately.
And Varun, I have to ask a question to Varun. Your look is very sexy with the beard. What was the best compliment you gave? And I mean, how tough was it to manage? Was it irritable?
No, not at all actually. ये जो decision लिया था beard का भी, I grew it out for a month and a half. I didn't know how will it look, but it's very different from what I've grown before because the hair is also grown out in this. And then finally when I came on set and I did that scene and that I was like, okay, abhi shave kar le. So all the ADs, Juhi, everyone came, and Ronnie also in his own style ki ye अच्छा लग रहा था ये. So they all were like little sad that I shaved, and then I remember I don't know who it was. Yeah, I think you all came and told me that nahi yaar, I like you more with the beard. He would always tell me कि नहीं beard के साथ थोड़ा better. I think I like you more with the beard. So then little bit stubble and all would come. I would say कि थोड़ा तो आधा मैं कर लेता हूँ.
So now the girls will like you with clean shaven look or with your bearded look, and what will you carry forward?
Anyhow.
Hi, Varun.
Ask her, she's here only today. She hardly comes. She didn't come for Judwa's tail launch, but she said today she wants to come. What did you feel? Were you no, she was not scared during this film because she trusts him a lot, I think. What did you feel?
If I have to say something, I might give out something about the script which I have to be quiet.
Hi. No way I get this from then.
But thank you, ma'am, for coming. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much.
Varun, hi, this side. Faridun from Bollywood Hungama.
What's up, Faridun?
Yeah, hi. Okay, so see, you have a director who's, in fact, he has told me that filmmaking is a hobby for him. He's more competitive in football, and that's his first love. You have a national award-winning writer who's उनकी बातों में भी बातें होती हैं, meaning होता है, and there's a lot of depth and humor, which is like very unique as well. When we see the cinematography and the locations, I think they're looking outstanding. They're looking very beautiful. It's a very unique world in itself. The poster in itself, I think, was wonderful in itself.
Even he has won 4 national awards. His name is Avik Mukhopadhyay.
Okay, outstanding actually.
Yeah.
In fact, that brought me for this promo launch because I think the poster looks outstanding. And yeah, so my question is that aesthetically, this movie looks extremely sound. How much has it affected you as an actor, as a human being, in terms of growth of you?
It's affected me a lot. I cannot explain you. I started looking so much. I started introspecting so much that, you know, as human beings, we all make mistakes. We all do wrong. We all do right. But the kind of judgment that usually when कोई आपके साथ जब कोई गलत करता है, you straight away judge them in your head that this person's wrong. And after this movie, that stopped. You know, even if someone is going to wrong me now, I can't judge them, yeah, because eventually we are all the same. Why that person did what they did is maybe those circumstances made them do that. I don't think so any human being wants to actually consciously hurt another human being. And I think there was just a change in my thinking because I met just 2 such evolved people who I spent so much time with, you know. And I started realizing that life is too short, and forgiveness, and I don't want to say much actually right now because...
Right. Juhi, one question to you. You always come up with very interesting subjects, which are many would say that maybe on the outset they're risky as well. But when you see the film on the silver screen, it's a beautiful world. So it's a world that you managed to create, and when we see the promo, this is a beautiful world as well. What was the concept behind? What was the idea that you had for making a movie like October in the first place? Writing a film.
Just understanding that mind of this person, Dan, and that unconditional, that deep, you know, we all have a certain value system. सबके घरों में एक value system होता है, and सब अच्छा बुरा उसकी बात नहीं है, पर जो भी दिल से जिस चीज़ पे believe करते हैं, उसको आँख बंद करके कर पाना आज के ज़माने में बहुत मुश्किल है, क्योंकि everything around us is there to corrupt us. So that inner voice, which guides us, that somewhere gets lost. In this film, the only purpose I would say that we decided for ourselves was to stay with that guiding force, to stay with that inner voice. और Dan की inner voice कहाँ जा रही है, कैसे क्या कर रही है, he's just following that. And in that way, I think Shujit and I, we were just following our inner voices.
Just to answer that, when we were shooting Piku, when you see the film, I'll talk later. I mean, there is a
I have
there's
not
a
been
film.
able to answer
There's a
fully.
film. This is related to incident which happened in my life also. So no, it's nothing to do with that, but just some inspirations. But my first brief was the way we started interacting. That I'm no expert in love and no love stories or whatever it is. But
you're quite a romantic in real life.
Yeah, so fine. So it's okay. So
how many years you been married since?
I know my wife since class 2, so yeah.
Class 2 till now, imagine यार, and मतलब वो प्यार नहीं है तो और क्या है?
Divine love.
So, all right. So my brief was basically very, very small. We wanted to do a love story, and we said, how do you define love? I mean, there are many way of looking at it. So, and we always talk about unconditional love. So we also thought it's quite an abused word. How do you prove unconditional? How do you do what is that one thing that we can do about unconditional love? I thought I have only seen unconditional love between a mother and a son, or mother and a daughter, between a mother and a child. Nowhere else I have seen an unconditional love. So that was our inception starting point that me and Juhi discussed, and that's what I gave her. Ki let's start working on it. इसके आगे मत पूछना, इसके आगे film.
Varun, here to your left. Varun, hi.
Hi, how are you?
Very good.
Hi.
अच्छा, हमने जो live देखा, आपने कहा कि जब नजदीक आ रहा था PVR, you said your heart is beating faster. किसी भी बनीता जी के लिए तो ये पहली बार है, पहली प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस है. आपके लिए किस तरह की फीलिंग होती है जब भी कोई ट्रेलर लॉन्च होता है, मीडिया के इतने सारे सवालों के जवाब देने हैं, ऐसा कोई सवाल जो आप चाहते हो कि मीडिया ना पूछे, मैं बच जाऊं?
बोल दूंगा तो पूछ ही लोगे ना फिर.
नहीं, still want to know, ऐसा कोई सवाल कि जैसे आपको थोड़ा सा डर लगता है?
डर नहीं,
ऐसा पर्सनल लाइफ हो या गर्लफ्रेंड, कुछ भी
डर तो नहीं लगता है अभी फिलहाल.
ऐसा कोई सवाल जिसका शायद आप चाहते हो कि मैं ना ही पूछे, मैं जवाब देना नहीं चाहता?
As actors, I think it sometimes when we get asked about we get asked too many political questions, it gets a little difficult, not because we don't have a voice, or not because we don't know the answer, or not because we don't care. We all care a lot, but it's just because the thing is that वो सवाल पूछा जाता है, and then there's silence, and then there's so much judgment coming from people saying that, oh, you're just an actor, do your job, why are you getting into things you don't care about? But I think we all are. I mean, I'm going to just say it's my country. I care about everything that's happening in it.
Benita, welcome to the industry. आपसे मेरा सवाल है कि वरुण से कुछ tips मिले, while shooting कि ऐसे करना है, ऐसे, this is the industry, ये होता है, वो होता है, ऐसे कुछ share करना चाहेंगे?
Trust me, when you do a Shoojit Sircar film, the only person you listen to is Shoojit Sircar. There was one day.
Once.
It happened once. It never happened again for a reason. We were doing one scene, and for some reason we kept going over and over. I think there was some technical issue. And Varun just comes up to me and whispers, listen, no, you didn't say smile. You went, look at me more. And I went, are you my director? And he was like, no, but it'll make the scene better, trust me. And I was like, and we did the scene again. I didn't look at him, obviously. And he came up to me again, and he was just like, oh, just do it. And then I went, sir. And as soon as Shoojit Sir came, Varun scarpered to the other side of the set. But yeah, so unfortunately, no, I didn't take. But the thing with Varun is he always went out of his way to make sure I felt okay. So I didn't take acting tips from him. I think both of us, it was very much like an experience we were both sharing together. We were learning from each other, and he never once patronized me or made me feel inferior because he's been in this industry for so long. So he never came from that. He always had my back.
I always felt that I was learning more from her than she could possibly learn from me, because he wanted real people. And that's exactly what Banita was. Everything was coming from her sense of adventure, her sense of wonder, everything. The way she said a dialogue never seemed like a dialogue. Unka pitch ही अलग था, आप जब सडनली कैमरा ऑन आता है, आपको हाई भी बोलना है तो आप हाई ऐसा आ जाता है. It'll never be high. or whatever. That happens sometimes. So seeing her, watching her, and not only her, every actor in this film, by the way, is pretty much new. बहुत debutants है ये film में, और हर कोई नया है, and मुझे बहुत सीखने को मिला उनसे, you know. The sense of wonder which children have has to always be alive, and I think that's what I think got reignited in me. I started getting.
Even me too.
You too? Yeah. I started getting happy with simple
I felt
things.
like kid, yeah.
Okay, Sujit sir,
We take two
मेरा
last
last
questions,
सवाल है.
right?
Sujit sir,
Two more
one last
questions,
question, please.
Yeah.
इसके बाद.
Ma'am, one at a time, please.
देखिए, आई थिंक इरफान खान ने ऑलरेडी एक प्रेस स्टेटमेंट दिया है कि उन्होंने कहा भी है कि आप लोग प्लीज़ इसको स्पेकुलेट ना करें इस चीज़ को. एंड आई थिंक हमको एक इतने बड़े एक्टर जो आई थिंक ही इज़ द वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इज़ द ओनली एक्टर हु इज़ एन एक्चुअली कॉल्ड एन हॉलीवुड स्टार इन आवर कंट्री, जिन्होंने सबसे टॉप ऑफ द लाइन डायरेक्टर के साथ काम किया है. सो मैं उनसे मिल चुका हूँ, 2-3 बार ही मिल चुका हूँ मैं, और वो फिर से एक और स्टेटमेंट देंगे आपको. आप सबको जो आप लोगों को सवाल जाना है वो अपने आप जवाब देंगे. वो भी बहुत ही एक अच्छे इंसान हैं, वो मैं उनके बहुत करीब हूँ. सो आप बिल्कुल चिंता ना करें. ही इज़ फाइन नाउ एंड ही विल इशू पब्लिक स्टेटमेंट अगेन, एंड उससे आपको सब मालूम चलेगा. आप प्लीज़, मैं हाथ जोड़ रहा हूँ, स्पेकुलेट ना करें.
मेरा सवाल वरुण.
Hi, Dan. Congratulations, Dan, for the trailer. It looks amazing. And my question to you is, first time we'll be seeing Varun Dhawan on screen. So will he make us cry or emotional a lot while we go away with the film October? So anything you want to say?
Sorry, मैं पहले बोल रहा हूँ. First he'll make you laugh.
Laugh, okay.
Yeah, and then rest of the other things, obviously.
Okay.
फिर हंसेंगे आप, उसके बाद फिर हंसेंगे, फिर घर जाके भी हंसेंगे आप.
Okay, we'll take one last question from you.
रोनी से पूछिए आप. रोनी की भी बियर्ड है.
वरुण सर.
जी बोले, आप पूछें.
वरुण सर. Varun sir.
I think the creatives have to answer that. From a producer's point of view, I'll say it's a great month. 14th April is my birthday, so it's a great month for me.
Oh, so lovely,
Ronnie.
वरुण सर, मेरा सवाल आपसे है.
जूही, मेरा एक सवाल आपसे है.
एक मिनट में ये बता दें. हाँ, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, ये सब महीने हैं, उनको अलग रखिए. वो जो एक फील है ना फिल्म की, वो साल में आप कभी भी फील कर सकते हैं. कोशिश ये है कि वो जो एक हल्की सी नमनमी होती है ना, वो इमोशंस की, वो प्यार है, गुलाबी जाड़ा बोलते हैं, एक फीलिंग आती है, वो साल में हर महीने आनी चाहिए. मुझे लगता है
गर्मी में भी थोड़ी ठंडी लग सकती है आपको.
Juhi, there's one more question coming from there.
Juhi, अभी जैसे शुजित जी ने कहा कि ये जो कहानी है ये फिल्म की स्पाइन है, और थोड़े दिन पहले मिलन लथुरिया ने भी ये कहा था कि ज़्यादा बायोपिक का दौर इसलिए आया क्योंकि हमारे पास कहानियों का अभाव था. आप इससे कितनी सहमत हैं?
नहीं, बायोपिक तभी बनानी चाहिए जब वाकई उस पर्सनालिटी को के ऊपर जब हम फिल्म बनाएं तो एक बहुत ज़बरदस्त इम्पैक्ट हो सोसाइटी पे. और ये बात तो सच है कि अपनी खुद की ओरिजिनल स्टोरी या फिल्म बनाने में जो मेहनत है वो ज़बरदस्त मेहनत है, और वो शायद हर कोई उसमें, और टाइम भी लगता है उस काम को करने में. मतलब 2 साल, आप सोचिए 2.5 साल से अगर इस पे काम चल रहा है, तो रोनी और शुजीत बहुत पेशेंटली उन्होंने वेट करा है मेरा. मैंने कहा मैं नवंबर में दे रही हूँ, फिर मैंने कहा मैं जनवरी में दे रही हूँ फिल्म, फिर मैंने कहा मैं मार्च में दे रही हूँ फिल्म, फिर मैंने कहा मैं जून में दे रही हूँ फिल्म. तो उतना पेशेंस हर किसी में नहीं है, और ओरिजिनल कहानी लिखने में इतना टाइम जाता ही है, और हर कोई वो करना नहीं चाहता है. फिल्म धड़ाधड़ बनाते जाओ, एक और कहानी मिल गई. अभी तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि बच्चा पैदा होगा नहीं उसके पहले उसको साइन कर लेंगे. अगर बड़े होके कुछ बन गया तो उस पर फिल्म बना लेंगे.
Thank you so much. One last question. जी सर.
हाँ जी सर.
कल के न्यूज़पेपर में मैंने शाहरुख सर का एक स्टेटमेंट पढ़ा था जिसमें उन्होंने बॉलीवुड स्टार के फीस के बारे में उन्होंने बोला है कि जिस तरह से वो चार्ज करते हैं 20 CR 30 CR, हिंदी सिनेमा के कारोबार पे असर पड़ रहा है, तो उन्होंने अनुरोध किया है कि फीस कम करना चाहिए ताकि प्रोड्यूसर फिल्म पे ज़्यादा खर्च कर सके। उन्होंने ये भी बोला है कि वो फीस नहीं लेते, एडवर्टाइजमेंट और इवेंट से कमाते हो। तो इसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
I think it's true. Mostly he's वो आजकल वो he also produces his own films also. So he's creatively also involved from the get go. He's one of the pioneers as an actor. और जो कह रहे हैं सही कह रहे हैं कि जो पैसे का जो that shouldn't come. The money should not try and control the creative. जितना भी पैसा आप स्क्रिप्ट पे या फिल्म पे डाल सके वो बेहतर होगा. And I think you can work that out. I think mostly मैंने तो कभी ये फेस नहीं किया है प्रॉब्लम. हमेशा जब भी मैं फिल्म करता हूँ I want to look that everyone is safe. The producers are also happy making the film and then you can go ahead.
आपके साथ कभी चार्ज को लेके प्रॉब्लम हुई है? जो
किसको लेके?
फीस को लेके सर?
नहीं, फीस को लेके मुझे कभी प्रॉब्लम.
एक के साथ एक फ्री खेलेंगे हैं. Thank you so much. You guys are wonderful. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. And yeah, it's time for a photo op. Quick photo op.
Thank you so much.